Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In activities 6.1 and 6.2, we're going to learn and practice a method of conjunctions referred to as FANBOYS. Now, FANBOYS is often called coordinating conjunctions. Imagine you have two building blocks. If you just place them next to each other, they might fall apart. But if you use glue, they stick together and make something stronger. Coordinating conjunctions are like glue for sentences. They help us connect words, phrases, or even whole sentences so they make sense better. In activity 6.1, we take a deep dive into FANBOYS. So what exactly is FANBOYS? FANBOYS are 7 words that help connect ideas in a sentence. Each letter in FANBOYS stands for one of these words. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. How do FANBOYS work? FANBOYS connect two ideas that are related. We use a comma before the FANBOYS word when the ideas are full sentences. Take a look at the following examples. Number 1 focuses on for, which gives a reason. I am hungry, for I skipped lunch. Number 2, and, which adds more. I like apples, and I like bananas. Number 3, nor, which joins two negatives. I don't like coffee, nor do I like tea. Number 4, but, which shows a difference. I want to go outside, but it is raining. Number 5, or, which gives a choice. Do you want pizza or do you want pasta? Number 6, yet, which shows something unexpected. I am tired, yet I must study. Number 7, so, which shows a result. I was late, so I ran fast. Keep these things in mind when you work with activities in this textbook and when you begin formulating your own original sentences. Now, let's move on to activity 6.2. In the first example, you are tasked with filling in the blank. The sentence reads, I want ice cream, blank, I don't have any money. Looking at the FANBOYS chart, which word combines two opposite ideas? If you said but, you are correct. Now, let's look at the instructions for students. Number 1, combine the sentences using a FANBOYS word. For example, I am tired. I stay up late. I am tired, yet I stay up late. Number 2, underline the FANBOYS word in your sentence. And number 3, write your own FANBOYS sentence after practicing these. All right, I think you are ready to get started. First, let's read the directions. Rewrite the following 17 sentences on the line provided, and underline the FANBOYS word in each sentence. Okay, let's do number 1 together. It reads, I am tired. I stay up late. Here we see but in the parentheses. Let's drop the period and add a comma. Now the sentence reads, I am tired, but I stay up late. So far, so good? All right, let's move on to number 2. It reads, we can go to the park. We can go to the mall. Again, we drop the period and add the comma and add the FANBOYS word, which in this case is or. Remember that we in the second sentence will no longer be capitalized when we merge these sentences using the comma. So the sentence should go like this. We can go to the park, or we can go to the mall. Okay, Now, let's try number 3. It reads, I enjoy swimming. I enjoy running. We see the fanboys word is and. Let's combine these two sentences using and. It should now read, I enjoy swimming and running. Since both sentences started with I enjoy, we don't need to repeat it. Make the sentences shorter with conjunctions when you can. All right. Now, you can do numbers 4 through 7 on your own. Stop the video now and rewrite these sentences using the fanboys words in parentheses. When you are finished, start the video again and we will go over the answers to see if you got them correct. Okay, great. Now, on the next page, you have numbers 8 through 17, which you will do on your own. You can find the answers to numbers 8 through 17 in the back of your textbook. Or you can also visit our website, iwtle.com, and look in the tab for the Writing Journal for English Learners and find the answers there as well. Great work, everyone. If you need to make corrections, pause the video again and make those corrections. We're making great progress. Don't forget to like and share this video with others learning English and wanting to improve their writing skills. If you don't yet have your copy of the textbook, click on the link in the description or visit our website, iwtle.com, and get your copy, which you will need for the remainder of this textbook, especially when you're doing numbers 8 through 17 on your own. Have questions? Leave us a comment and I will try to answer your questions the best I can. Until next time, everyone, keep practicing your writing skills.